right, we're here at 1277 Meredith Way in Clarksville, Tennessee. Checking out the exterior. You can see it's a very established neighborhood. Very desirable area right off of exit 1. So on first impression, they are going to be pressure washing the sides of the home, so it will be cleaned up nicely. The roof looks like it's in really good condition. The HVAC also looks like it's fairly new as well. It's got a fenced-in backyard. Some pressure washing here, getting that cleaned up, some exterior painting, getting that painted. So most all of the repairs are going to be done before we close. The only thing would just be the flooring, if we can get a vinyl quote back and have some vinyl floors installed instead of carpet. So this one is on a crawl space foundation, but it's an elevated one. Not too close to the ground. So we'll check out the backyard here in just a minute, but now let's go take a look inside. So I noticed on the patio here, there's some cracking in this concrete. That's not structural. This is a standalone structure of itself, just being your front porch. So that can be touched up there. Going in the front door, opens up to the living room. It's got nice high ceilings. All the interior needs to be painted, so that will be taken care of. I did notice some signs of settling, so I'm sure that's going to be in the inspection report. Doesn't appear to be structural. I'm not a structural engineer, but I've seen a lot of homes, and this one is not really showing signs of structure. The flooring is not unlevel, so that wouldn't be a major concern. This one opens up into the kitchen here with your laundry. Right here. And out this way, we got the garage. It's a big size garage. I saw outside some of the drains that come down off of the home need to be directed away from the home. You can see this efflorescence. That's just simply when there's moisture in the air a lot, so that will be easily remediated by directing the water more away from the home. So back inside from the garage, go check out the upstairs. So all this carpet, it does need to be replaced with either carpet or laminate. And they can't put laminate on stairs because it's too slick. So they would probably have to do carpet on the stairs. And then up here is our bonus area. A lot of the things that may come up on the inspection report are going to be addressed with the repairs that they're doing. So again, you can see some settlement here. I don't think that's anything to be alarmed with. We can get more details from Kyle, but again, I didn't see anything in the crawl space that showed signs of cracking in the actual brick, and that is where you would typically see that. So bathroom needs a little bit of touch up with caulking and some paint, so that's being done. Bedroom number 1, and this is the master. This will be painted. Closet, a little bit of a walk-in. Step in, rather. This is the master bath. That'll be painted. So either way, we'll get new flooring in these rooms, but this is a great home. Bedroom number 2. It's really great that we're getting the work done, most of it anyways, before closing. So that will really make sure that we get the highest rent possible. And bedroom number 3. So the bonus room could actually serve as a 4th bedroom potentially, or 4th bedroom and bonus room. Here. And let's go check out the backyard. So it needs some cleaning up out here. They're redoing the deck. You can see some spindles are missing. Some of the boards are not great, so they are going to be redoing that as well. Needs a good mowing, but it is fully fenced in. So that's a plus. And I went into the crawl space earlier, so I'll show you where that is. Right here. You'll see that video next, but the crawl space is right here under the deck. This water extension, I can tell now, has been dumping water right here at the edge. That just needs a drain that brings it out here more into the yard, and that will prevent the water from going down into the crawl space so much. And that's 1277 Meredith Way.